everyone, today we're doing an ice melting race. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to know how different colors absorb light and heat differently. I'm using chart paper, and the colors I'm using are black, yellow, red, pink, blue and white. And the other item I need is ice cubes. Second thing I need is ice cube. The third thing I need is a timer or a clock. So now let me put the ices. Okay, so now that I put the ices, I'm going to show you my prediction. Here are the colors and the predictions. White. White I'm predicting as the last color to melt. Black I'm predicting as the first color to melt. Pink I'm predicting as the fourth color to melt. Blue I am predicting as the third color to melt. And yellow I am predicting as the fifth color to melt. And red as the second. The reason why I'm predicting black as the first and the yellow. The reason why I'm predicting the first color as black is because black absorbs more color and more heat, and the heat is transferred to the ice, making the ice melt faster. The reason why I made white the last is because white absorbs less color and less heat, making it melt slower. Wow, look at this. Black is finished. It was the first one. It took 19 minutes. Okay guys, let's see. The white is the last one. It took 24 minutes, 20 seconds. After the black finished, with the second, it took 20 minutes. Then after red, the blue was the third. It took 21 minutes, 10 seconds. And after blue, it was pink, and that took 22 minutes, 35 seconds. And after that was finally the one we were talking about just now, white, 24 minutes, 20 seconds. Okay, so the darkest colors like black, red and blue, they absorb more color and more heat, making it faster for the ice cube to melt. And then the reason why yellow, white and pink are the slowest is because these are the lightest colors and they absorb less color and less heat, making the ice cube melt slower